What's up, everyone? Did I get on cam? Oh crap! What's up, everyone? I'm sorry about that. I don't even know if a camera will even record that, or I said it too early. That's why I said it twice. If it did say twice, who cares anymore? So I got two new cars, or we're gonna unbox this in this video. So we got two new cars already unboxed. Sorry if so. Don't get mad before you say anything like, "Why'd you unbox this?" I couldn't because it was already open. This is Johnny Lightning and this is Johnny Lightning 2. This is a copper color. The metallic does not show that well because it's more of a bland metallic. It's not a metallic that shows up on camera. It glares, okay? It glares. But it's a copper color. And you can tell right now. I wonder if the light fades away. Oh, now you can see it. Okay. Now you can see it. My hand's blocking that. So let me turn the light off real quick. Okay, now you can see the metallic. I think I'm going to have the lights off because the light kind of makes everything glare. And what I'm going to open up in the back is metallic. So, yeah. I'm super excited to open up this. This is a brand I've never... Oh, I don't own this brand. This is a totally new brand. It says its hood opens. I don't like these new type of cars. Oh, you can't see because of the shadow. But is that... Okay, it does open up more. It doesn't open up any more than that. There we go. I think now I can have the light back on. Okay. Now you can see. This light is really cool, I think. Bad quality, but really good lighting, I think. For just a beginner. But as we can see here, 2015 GT Mustang. Pretty cool. Now what this whole video is about, if you read the title, you'll know exactly what this is. The new... I don't even know this new. It's like November, I think. But, whatever. Got a nice sharp. And no, someone's still sponsoring me. So this is just another video. Another thing that I wanted to unbox on the channel for a while. I don't know how these open up. Okay, figured out. Oh my gosh. Oh, it does have a grip. Oh, it does fade away. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, we gotta turn off the light for this because it's metallic. Oh, no. It needs light to shine. Oh, this one feels really nice. This one right here. D-pad. Oh, I love this grip. What? They said these were matted. These are so glossy. Oh, no, it's more glossy, but it's actually... Guess I would count. That feels nice. Oh, it's darker on camera. But when I just saw it from my angle, it looked really nice. Oh, I'm gonna keep the box. But what else is in the box? I'm pretty curious about that. So, oh yeah. Got those two not retail sale batteries. Oh yeah, these are limited edition batteries. Not for retail sale. No other ones. So I get two batteries in two different languages. Oh, that's awesome. Get English and Spanish. I'm gonna keep these on and the packaging just because they look so cool. It's gonna be just right there because I like that. I just don't know why, but I like it. It's just someone listening. Oh, this first time I've ever unboxed an Xbox controller. I think I'm gonna keep this. Is this like... I'm gonna just... Can I... Oh, that's gonna come in handy one day. And then we get an Xbox manual. So, it's telling me about the new M2 thing, Bluetooth. tells me how to set it up. So no one cares about that. My one concern about this is what hook up to oh yeah, the thing came with this, which I will keep. It'd be cool if they like had just the packaging and it just was like, I mean, Matchbox does this kind of packaging where it's just like that and you can buy it like this. But I mean, it'd be cool if they did it too. Just people just don't have the time to do these things. It'd be really nice. So let's see something. So that hooks up real nice. Anyway, it's for microphone access. And I don't know where I put my thing, but this grip actually, I can tell the difference playing with my old Xbox controller. The grip actually feels a little bit better instead of having that matte feeling. I like the matte feeling. Oh, I like the feeling of... Oh, I thought there's stickers on it. Yep, isn't there? Frick, I don't even know. Yeah, they don't have any stickers on it. I couldn't swear there's supposed to be... Well, who cares? Buttons feel different compared to the other one. They have more of a different texture. Oh, but... Where did it go? Oh no, I lost it. But, if I can find it, let's put that back in its casing. Can you see that? It's a nice controller. Recommend this controller if people are wondering, like, do you recommend this? Yes, I do recommend this. I definitely do. I guess I can't show you if it works. But does it have it? That's all I wonder. Yeah, it does. Thanks for watching. This feels really nice. Oh, I thought this was the button for the camera.